She's alive, bitches! Chill! Let's go!
My name came up a lot of sounds, more when I was not around. Certain people that I know.
This just in. It's wet. It's hailing. There's water. Looks like a goddamn hurricane out here. We lost power. We a wicked storm. It's like done now though. What the hell? That was so fast. I was literally filming outside and then it was like 2 strikes of lightning and then I came inside and it was like, boy. That's sunshine? It's like, what? Perfect blue skies. Hurricane. This is what happened last time. What's goody? So we don't have power here. We haven't for a while. So camera's eventually gonna die. Everything's gonna die. We're gonna die. No, I'll pick this video up tomorrow though. Headed to my dad's. Gonna be filming for the new channel. Actually, yeah, I feel like I should talk about that really quick. Just an update for anybody who hasn't seen, go back and check out the last video that I just posted. I started my second channel. It's been in the works for a while. I've been planning it for a long time. Send It Saddies. We're going to be filming on Saturdays, sending it for the boys, and it's just opening a different part of my life that I haven't been able to film before without polluting up all the car stuff, so we can keep the car stuff pure to car stuff, and we can have Send It, dirt bike, skate, adventure, good time, full send kind of, you know, like C-Boys TV type stuff, you know what I'm saying? Because that's the other half of my life that I don't feel like I can put into the car videos because I kind of feel like not everybody wants to see that, which is totally cool. So plain smart. Anyway, go check out that channel. Appreciate if you want, guys, subscribe to that because you guys are the best and I cannot do it without you. No, we'll be filming for that today. And first video should be up Saturday night. A couple other car things this week and next week. So stay tuned, boys. Let's go.
Got you. I got you, fool. I got you. Wait, hold on. The whole car shakes.
She's alive, bitches! You like pull up and I'm like, I'm here to pick up your grandma, bitch.
We got up to 70 on the main road.
Really? Dude, she hasn't been driven like...
He didn't really want to go too fast because of what happened last time.
And the brakes are like non-existent. Chill! Let's go!
Yo, chill.
We're not filming today, but I figured I had to, we had to hit the Falcon for you. Dude, she sounds like a fucking, yummy!
Send It Saddies.
Oh, yo, is that a Mark 7 GTI with a little mud on the side? Took her off-roading, what's good? What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you're new here, my name's Chris. We do Mark 7 GTI content, Mark 6 Jedi content. We're building my Mark 7 on this channel. We go fast, have a good time, car enthusiast shit. If that's something you like, then I highly recommend you go down there and hit that subscribe button. We're on the journey to 10,000 subscribers now. I'm super hyped. Today, I have something that's like, it's super sick. I'll just show you. Actually, I already filmed like the unboxing section, so we're gonna jump to me unboxing it right now. Hello. Today's weapon of choice. I'm filming this before I've done my intro, and before I filmed anything else, so if I say anything that doesn't make sense, that would be why. I'm super excited about this right here. I'm excited to announce I bring to you peanuts. No, I'm actually super happy with this. Would you look at the packaging quality? I mean, you can't beat this. It's actually like, yo, you couldn't break anything in this box if you tried. Longest unboxing ever. Son of a bitch! Boom. A personal letter signed by Danny himself, because he's one of the coolest dudes that I was very lucky to be introduced to. Woo! Bro, look at the quality. Look at the welds. You already know. For my ASMR friends. Peanuts are so fun. Yeah. All right, now if you saw that, Danny's the man. Shout out to you, buddy. And I'll make sure that all your information for this is right there. Also, if you guys buy anything from him, Focus SD, Focus RS, Mazda Speed3, GTI, Golf R, whatever it may be, all the installation guides are on his website. Anything you need to know is on his website. His website is extremely well detailed. Go check that out. If you want anything chassis brace, he does 4 or 5 for the GTI, and I'm super hyped. And I'm proud to be rocking it for Danny, my man. All right, let's check it out. It's so clean. All right, chassis mount brace. And this goes right there. So like right where your downpipe comes down, it sits right in front of there and behind your oil pan, like right there in that section. And as far as I know, everything's just bolt right up, and we're gonna see how it goes. And as far as testing, I think the best thing that we can do is we're just gonna go hit my mountain road back here. I have a really good ripping road that's like up here, goes all the way through the mountains, a lot of good turns, a lot of good roads. So I'd say we'll throw it in, and we'll see what it do. Hi, little Mustang. What are you doing? Want to say hello to the vlog? So goddamn cute. All right, boys, we got her jacked up, looking like a monster truck. Got just enough room, and let's see what it do. So it looks like this goes on this point. Focus. This point. Those two up top, and then you got this one, and then the same one on the other side. Hiya. If you're new here, don't forget, go down there, hit that subscribe button. If you liked the video and found it in some way, shape, or form helpful, leave a like. I gotta get a steel oil pan, dude. I keep forgetting, or the aluminum winch, whatever it is. I keep forgetting this thing's plastic under here. And she's got a couple little scrapes that make me a little nervous. Fuck it. Now we'll do that soon. A bunch of little maintenance stuff I gotta do pretty soon here too, but we'll get there. Yo, car strength, the real thing. Yeah, so look up the torque specs on his, I gotta look it up on his website, it's the only reason I'm saying that. But you loosen the front 2 points. He has a video on it on his channel actually. Loosen the front 2 points, get those bolted in loosely, and then pull the rear ones, get it kind of lined up, and then torque everything down to spec. And we chillin'. Like a pro. Alright, note to self, there's a nut on top of the rear ones. Also, don't know if I told you guys. It's an 18. Update, found a wrench. I'll update you when she's tight. Alright, let's recap everything. We got a mount here, a mount there, a mount there, and a mount right there. These are all 18s. I'm gonna go look up the torque spec on his website. Just remember this has a nut on top of it, on top of the hole. It's like a sandwich up here. And these do not, those are fixed. So there she be, bro. Would you just look at it? So clean, it's like subtle, but you know, it's there, you know what I'm saying? Would you just look at it? Super hype, either way, beautiful quality. I'm super hyped. Came out sick. Also, it was super easy. It was like a breeze. Don't be intimidated by stuff like this. It was super easy. Alrighty, bros, got her lowered down. Got all of the wheels torqued down to about 5 ugga-duggas. My front wheels were trashed, so we had to swap those around. You're pretty bad. I put those on the rear, put the good ones from the rear on the front, so we'll have a little bit of traction in the front. Just gonna give her a quick wash down, get everything cleaned up, so it's looking nice, and we'll go hit some mountain roads, have a good time, see what she do. I'm hyped. Thank you again, Danny. You're the man, bro. Oh, so clean, so clean. All right, bro, let's boogie to the GoPro. Welcome to the cabin. enjoy yourself. Let's book. Yeah, clearance-wise, like if you're super low, you're probably not gonna want to run this. I think I have about like 2 inches of clearance, but I'm also super low, so keep that in mind, that's all. Hooked up. This is sick. I'm super hyped. Hit a little burble for the boys. Yes, sir. We're all here for the same reason, brother. Trying to go fast, trying to have a good time. You dig? It's like really fun. It's just like short shifting, but really fast. Just like. Well, I'll say this is my first traction bar that I've ever put in on anything, I think, actually. So far, so good. She feels good. I'll head out to another mountain road that's like out towards like Enfield way. We'll head out that way and rip through there, and then I think that'll commence this video, my guys. Shit. Coming in hot, bro. That a lot. Yo, this feels good, bro. No, I clear. No, I. What? What did I just say? No idea where we're gonna come out, but. Just gonna keep cooking. A tank full of gas. New chassis mount brace. Let's go get lost, boys. Little first gear rip. Woo! Hell yeah. That hooked pretty good. What the hell? I just realized that. It chirped second, it didn't really, it like spun first a little bit, but. Get one more little 1, 2, 3. Test drive with our new TB Performance product traction bar brace. And I'm hyped. Feels good. It's like the little things that make a big difference, you know? What is goody, my G's? Got the chest mount hooked up. We're gonna end this video off with a couple dank nooners for the boys. Rip on the old 100. This thing's like such a perfect, like look at this. Trying to tell me this isn't like the perfect bike to like learn wheelies on. It's because it's like in between the size of like, you know, 125 and like a pit bike. And it's got just enough power that like you can learn, but super sick. Lego.
that the ride or die. I keep
First
boys
kick.
by my side.
First kick.
Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that the ride or die. Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Boys by my side. Know that the ride or die. My name came up a lot of sounds. More when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up
I'm
a
wearing
lot
like
of sounds.
super loose shorts.
More when I
And
was
they keep
not
sliding me
around.
off the seat.
Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot of sounds. More when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot of sounds. More when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. Know that the
I
ride
was
or
totally
die. I
chasing
keep
that.
boys
I'm
by
trying
my
not to
side.
chase it as much.
Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
Oh, got it.
Know that the ride or die. Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that the ride or die.
Hit that one hand, boy. Hit that one hand.
Know that they fly. Know that the ride or die. All these brothers my guys. Know that they fly. Know that they fly. Know that the ride or die. CJ,
Ah, I almost
they
saved
ain't
it.
no longer about. They ain't no longer about. They ain't no longer
Let's go.
about. CJ, they ain't no longer about.
That's sick. Little rolling Bernie. Let's go.
Know that the ride or die. Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that the ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
Yes, sir. Yard. Alrighty, bros. That's a wrap. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget, go check out the second channel. I'm trying to grow that as fast as possible. Sorry about the shameless plugs. Obviously, I'm trying to be smart about it and grow it as fast as possible, though. If you want to see more dedicated videos like that, viral side of YouTube, that's what we're doing over there. Send it Saddies. Go take a peep. Other than that, shout out Danny one more time. TB Performance Products. That man ain't playing. If you need some braces, makes a difference, go check him out. Other than that, keep it real, bros. I'll catch you in the next one. Your boy's out. Peace.
Know that the ride or die.